Hi, it's me, Justine. Welcome back to Open-Minded Singing channel. If you want to sing in harmony, this is a perfect place for you. But before I'll explain in details how it works, check out first what you're gonna learn today.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear, making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Ooh, yeah. I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. Make me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
Boom! You probably know that it's a brand new song by Sheeran and Justin Bieber, and when I heard it, I decided that I have to do a video with this song as fast as it's possible, and here it is. But first, as always, let me explain to you how it works. I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. In the description and in the first comment, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose if you want to learn only one voice or all of them. You can repeat each section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready. And also you can come back to this video at any time and jump straight to the practicing. On the screen you'll find the lyrics, the sheet music, and in the top left corner you will find the name of the section to prevent getting lost. In I Don't Care, we can hear a lot of harmonies, and I prepared for you 5 different parts that you can learn and create the whole chorus with all the backing vocals. We have the 2 parts, which create an instrumental, and without these 2 voices we practically have only the beat, so they are really important. Of course, the lead vocal sung by Ed, the second voice, which is a regular backing vocal, and JB's ad-libs. So let's start with that lower ooh, and first you can try to sing it with me. Great! Try to look for a sound that is comfortable for you. It can be a softer ooh or a strong one, it doesn't matter, just make sure that it sounds balanced. Now you can try to sing it alone. This is a moment to sing it with all the other voices.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear, making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Ooh, yeah. I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. Make me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
There you go. Now it's time for that second ooh, the higher one. The same rule. Try to produce a steady sound. It's really important because you are here as an instrument, and harmony that you will build with that simple ooh, it's a bass and it has to be solid. Try to sing it with me. Don't push too hard, maybe add some blow to your sound, and if you remember your part, try to sing it alone. Perfect. Try to sing it in harmony.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Ooh, yeah. I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You make me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
Now it's time for that lead vocal, and in the song it's Ed Sheeran's part, and it's quite low for me. But I tried my best and I hope it sounds okay. Try to sing it with me.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear. And you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. And you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
You can repeat it or move on and sing it on your own. Awesome! Now it's time to sing that lead vocal with all the other voices. Let's go.
Don't care when I'm with my baby. Oh yeah. All the bad things disappear. Making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
next vocal part starts an octave higher than that lead vocal, so at the beginning we have a unison, but check out what happens later. Let's go.
When I'm with my baby, all the bad things disappear, and you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. As long as you just hold me near, you can take me anywhere, and you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
If you're ready to sing it alone, go for it. You can repeat it or sing it in harmony.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere, anywhere. Feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
And the final vocal part, the ad-libs. If you practiced Roar with the video from this series, you already know that ad-libs stand for everything what vocalist sings on top of the melody. And again, it should be improvised, but I'm going to show you exactly the same melody that Justin Bieber sang in the final chorus. Sing it with me.
Don't care, oh yeah. Disappear. Maybe I'm somebody with a bad nights. Oh yeah. Be there, anywhere, anywhere. I'm loved by somebody. Oh.
I know it's hard to memorize it, but you can sing it again and again, and you can sing it alone when you will be ready. Now sing it on top of the melody and all the backing vocals. Have fun.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby. All the bad things disappear, and you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me me near. You can take me anywhere, and you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby.
I love it. As always, thank you for singing with me. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get the notification every time I'll upload the video. Let me know in a comment what you think and what songs would you like to learn in the future tutorials. Record yourself as you practice with this video and don't forget to tag open-minded singing with #HarmonyGames so I can see it. Follow Open-Minded Singing on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like my voice, you can listen to me more on my YouTube and Instagram, Justine Sounds. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
I'm loved by somebody.